Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black ambitex interior. Panoramic sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. This one does come with your Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, our radio, dual climate controls, hard keys, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center, and our driving patterns. We've got different driving styles. We've got Eco, Comfort, Sports, Sports Plus, and Individual. This C-Class has 20,142 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.